Hello, paint peeps. Welcome. It's Kathleen from CozCreations. Welcome to the No Raw Zone here in beautiful sunny Florida. Excuse my voice. I think I got a little allergy thing going on here. We got a lot of things that are sprouting and blooming. I came in here to do a landscape swipe, landscape dirty flip cup pour, using the colors that my students will be using at the Fluid Art Experience coming up in just a couple of weeks. Yay! I cannot wait to get my hands on them. So I figured I'd come out here, do a little practicing with these wonderful, wonderful colors. Everything is pretty much mixed up. All my paints are mixed with my pouring medium, which is 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium. The way I start out is I put my paint in the cup. I add a squirt of Golden GAC 800 to it, stir it up really good, and then I add my pouring medium. Everything got different amounts of pouring medium. This is Paynes Gray by Golden. I used that much paint and about 2.5 to 3 ounces of pouring medium because the pigment is strong. It goes a long way. The rest of the paints are about 1 part paint to 3 parts pouring medium. This right here is Amsterdam Acrylics in the Titanium White. That is mixed with the super secret sauce, the Australian Floetrol. That is 1 part paint, 2.5 to 3 parts pouring medium. And this is the thinnest of all these paints. Let's talk about our color. We have 2 base coat colors. This right here is Creative Inspirations in the Paynes Gray. Very thick, took a good amount of water. This right here, Creative Inspirations in the Titanium White, took a good amount of water. Absolutely no water in the Titanium White, mixed with the Aussie Floetrol. This yummy color, Amsterdam, and that is their Sky Blue Light. We will be using these colors at the Fluid Art Experience in Dallas, Texas. Right here, another yummy color, DecoArt in the Winter Blue. Right here, DecoArt Americana in the Baby Blue. This, once again, is Golden Fluids in the Paynes Gray. And this right here is DecoArt Satin Enamel in the Pure White. Now, I chose these colors for my students because each one of these paints pretty much has a different density, and I want you to learn how to mix paints that are different densities to get them all down to about the same consistency. This right here, the Fluid Art in the Paynes Gray, I had to add a smidgen, about 1/2 tablespoon of gel gloss medium to it in order to get this paint to the same consistencies of the rest, because this was a fluid paint. And there's a trick to that. You have to kind of make that decision ahead of time, because you cannot just put a big old blob of gel gloss medium into a cup of paint and pouring medium. It tends to bead up. So what I do is I put my paint in the cup. I say, this is very fluid. I'm going to need to thicken this up. I add my dollop of my gel gloss medium, stir that up in the paint really good. Then my squirt of GAC 800, stir that up real good, and then slowly start to add my pouring medium so it comes out nice and smooth. Now, consistency guide. You will all be getting one of these compliments of the darling Tammy DeCaro. And I still check every once in a while, and this is a wonderful, wonderful tool. It wipes off beautifully, and Tammy, I'm very, very thankful for this, and all of my students will be getting one. So I'm going to go ahead and lay my paints out. My base coat color, I almost like it a little bit thinner. It's just a slick surface for my other paints to kind of travel across. So I'm going to do my consistency test and to help keep this girl honest.
Together